Tell me how much you need me. Make my world go round. Ain't no competition. No one can compare.
Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be making French toast and sausage. Now I'm about to preheat this oven to 400. And we're going to put them in this pan here. Next step, on to making this French toast. Okay, hold on. Okay, I'm back. I have my bowl. And today we're going to be using wheat bread. Now, I found out using wheat bread to make French toast was a little bit easier. And I like it. Now we're basically just about to pour in our milk. Because I've tried using white bread and it did not come out right. So we got a little bit of milk. We got 2 eggs. Alright, we got our 2 eggs. We're going to put in our cinnamon. Just a little, because you don't want it to be too cinnamony. And we're going to throw in a little sugar. Just a little. That's enough. And then we're just gonna whisk this together because it's not gonna take long to make this French toast. Let me see so I can actually see it. Okay, you gotta make sure this is nicely incorporated. And your mixer look like, well, let me see, I can't really see the mix. But it should look like this. Well incorporated. Now that's time to start to go add in our French toast, the good part. Now I normally use butter to grease my pans. Well, pan. But today we're using the butter flavored cooking spray. It works just as well. Because butter after a while gets a little too fattening, so the less calories, the better. Alright, this is incorporated well. Now let's get to the fun parts. Making the French toast. Let's move this right here. Let's see, we can use the back burner. So that way I can still see. Alright. Let's see what this sausage is. Okay. You know what? This one is here. Alright, hold on, guys. Whew. Okay, the pan is heating up nicely. Now we're about to put in our cooking spray. Turn this onto a medium low and dip in our bread, both sides. There we go. Check on the sausages. Good. All right. Okay, so we now got a good amount of French toast on the plate. Doesn't that look good? And it's nice and hot. The sausage, of course, I see we checked on those. And yeah, now that's just getting all this French toast done. Alright, hopefully these sausages cook within the right amount of time. So now we're just basically going to do these French toast. Make sure they got a nice little crust on them. Yes, those look good. This is actually my first time using cooking spray to make the French toast. So yeah, they've come out pretty good. Let me add a little bit more cinnamon to this mixture, because the cinnamon, of course, is one thing that's gonna go fast, along with the eggs, because everything is incorporated well. Just sprinkle, sprinkle, sprinkle. Just a little. And that should be all she wrote, because you don't want it to be too spice, because you can definitely taste the cinnamon. and afterwards. So let's go ahead and flip these. Well, this. Ooh. That one's gonna be good. And then we also have some regular syrup. And then we also have some Nutella that we could put on top of this. I wish we had some powdered sugar, but that's one thing. When I had the powdered sugar, I ain't need to use it. But now that we don't got it, I want to use it. Does that make sense? It's always like that. When you need something, you ain't got it. But when you got it, you don't need it. But let's continue with these French toasts. Because the sausage is basically going to cook itself. I mean, I should have made the other kind, but it is what it is. Make them joints kind of from scratch. Even though they're frozen. Right, probably gonna make these last two. Oh, this one about to be sending me up. Like, ooh, yes, get all that stuff incorporated nicely. Like, look at this, how much milk and stuff I got left. I did have a lot more than that, but as you see, preparing them takes up most of the stuff. So let's check these sausages one last time. Make sure good. Ooh, yes, these look good. Alright. Those look good. Definitely, definitely. Let's see. Oh, you know what? That's all basically just the cinnamon. Instead of mixing it all together, it just sat on the top. It is what it is. It's still going to taste bomb. So, yes, if y'all haven't tried French toast with wheat bread, try it. It's definitely a game changer. Like I said before, I tried it with white bread, and the stuff kept sticking to the pan. It was like, not too good. But look at all that cinnamon. Yes, it would be bomb. Like, I wish I had some bananas, because last time I made these, I had some bananas to go with it. Alright guys, I think this is my last one. I mean, alright, I could probably do 2 more and then I'm done. See, look, the bag is almost gone. But this is a good way to get kids to eat wheat bread who doesn't eat wheat bread, because you can never tell. Trust me, I've been doing this for like the past 2 years, and it's a hit. Okay, last one. Good morning. Okay, so our French toasts are done. Now basically we're just waiting on these sausages. So y'all stay tuned. Okay guys, our sausage are done. So we got our French toast and sausage. This is done because I already washed the dishes. So now we just gotta get our thumbnail. Alright guys, so this concludes the rest of this video. If you guys enjoyed this video, give it a big thumbs up, comment down below, hit the subscribe button, hit that bell that we be notified when I post. And until next time, oh, also comment down below if you want to see more cooking videos like this. And until next time, we out here. Peace.